tell me I'm pretty, that's when the hunger really hits me. Your little heart goes pitter-patter, I want your liver on a platter. Use your finger to stir me.
Hello everyone, it's me, LORIGEN, your modeling studio, and in this video, I will be going to make a pillowcase. So, to see my output, just keep on watching this video. The materials needed are cloth, needle, thread, pins, scissor, and zipper. I buy 1 meter of cloth and I divided it into 2 parts. Then, I used pins in every side to make it easy to stitch. Then I started stitching it using backstitch. Stitching it until I finished the other corners. After stitching the other corners, let's remove the pins. Let us now attach the zipper and start stitching it. I used blanket stitch to secure the corners.